Okay, it's been brought to my attention that the link that I have with President Johnson and Vietnam in Canvas with the worksheet or in Canvas is not working. So I'm going to try to walk you through how to get to the worksheet by going through PBS Learning. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get to the PBS Learning site. Okay, so this should be the home page. You should log in and hopefully you saved all of this on your computer. Once you get to the PBS Learning site, I'm going to click on Social Studies. Once I click on Social Studies, I'm going to click on U.S. History. Once I click on U.S. History, I'm going to come up here to where it says Search, and I'm just going to type in Vietnam. And then hit Enter, and then I need to scroll down. I need to click, it's not on the first page. It's not on the second page. It should be on page 3. And this is the video right here. Escalation of the Vietnam War by LBJ. You will click on that, and then you will start the video. This is the video that goes with the worksheet. So I'm going to back up. I'm going to go through it one more time. Again, you need to get to the PBS Learning website. Once you get here, you click on Social Studies. Once you get to Social Studies, you click on American History. Once you get to American History, I come up here into the little magnifying glass. I type in Vietnam. And then I go to page 3. And I scroll down until I get to Escalation of the Vietnam War by LBJ. And I click on that. And this is the video that you need to watch to answer the questions for the worksheet. If you have any other questions, please let me know.